how to add a voiceover to video in Canva. So go ahead and open your browser. Now, once we are in Canva site, we will be seeing this dashboard. If you don't have a Canva account yet, you can then sign up using any accounts from your Gmail, Facebook, or other emails. Once you're done signing up or logging in, you will then be here in the homepage of Canva. And this may look intimidating at first, but all you need here is the create a design button, because this is where you can select or customize the size of your presentation or whatever material you need for your voiceover. So this size could be anything. It's actually all up to you. If you need to do voiceover for your presentation, a video, or a poster, it really depends on what you need. So just click here, the right size for your material. Or if the size that you need is not showing here, you can click on the customize size to input the resolution that you want. So just type in a digit and it can either be pixel, inches, millimeters, or centimeters. Now, if you don't have any idea on the sizing, but you have a target product or resolution in mind, you can always use the search engine. So for me, I'll be typing in presentation, and from here, I'll just choose one. You can use this for, let's say, mobile video, Facebook video, planner. You can be as specific as you want, and sizes will then show here. So once you select the size of your file, you will then be directed into another tab where you will see the editing page. Here you have a blank canvas that you can edit from scratch. So the first thing to do is to make the presentation page, or basically the visual that you want to show while your voiceover is playing. You can choose the background color. To do that, click on the square and then the color palette will then show. And then from here, you can choose the color that you want. Now you have the Elements tab as well, the Text tab, the Brand tab, which is only available if you're subscribed to the Canva Pro plan. You have the Upload tab where you can upload images and videos, the Draw tab, and additional applications. So here on the Elements tab, there's shapes, graphics, images, videos, audio, tables, frames, and other elements that you can play around with to make the layout of your product. So let's say that this is a recorded presentation about a science research project titled Exploring Novel Catalysts for Sustainable Hydrogen Production Through Electrochemical Water Splitting, a comprehensive study on catalyst design and performance. And then let's say that the slide presentations are already prepared. I got this from a template. And let's say that the slide presentations are already prepared. I just got this from a template. And one step that you can add before recording your voiceover is to add some notes per slide so that you won't get lost and you won't need to edit the recording anymore because that will take up so much time and effort. So to do that, just go to each slide and here on the lower part area, find the word notes. This will show and here you can then input a script or just a short guide on what you need to say when you're already doing the voiceover. Don't worry since this will not be seen by the viewers and this will not be attached to any part of the presentation visual. It will just show on your screen only once you are presenting or recording your voiceover. Now, once we are done with that, we can now proceed to the recording part of the voiceover. So go to the Uploads tab, and here you need to go to Record Yourself, and you will then be directed in this studio page, and you can now choose if you want to record camera only, camera and screen only. Here you have the freedom on what screen or pages Canva can record. First up is the Chrome tab only, which means you can choose one additional tab that Canva can see and record. Beside is the window. You can choose here what window, and let's say you chose Chrome. This means that your current tab, including all the tabs open, will be shown. And even if you add another tab, it will be visible as well. Now, last is the entire screen, which means that whatever happened and whatever action you do on your device will be recorded. Now, below is the device that the Canva will use for your video and microphone. So always check on this one to make sure that you're using your best device to get the best quality that you can produce. So going back to this, for this project, I'll just be needing the camera. Now, once you are settled with the devices, just click on this one to show your notes, and you can now click on this record button to start recording. Exploring novel catalyst for sustainable hydrogen production through electrochemical water splitting, a comprehensive study on catalyst design and performance. So, this research delved into the development and assessment of innovative catalysts for efficient and sustainable hydrogen production via electrochemical water splitting. This study aims to uncover new insight into catalyst design, performance optimization, and potential applications in advancing green energy technologies. Now, if you need some pause, you can click on this pause button and you can then resume once you're ready and prepared to record the next part of your presentation. So once you are done recording with all, simply click on done and then proceed to the save and exit, and you will then be back here in the editing page. Now the recording will be uploaded here on the videos tab. Simply click on it and it will then appear on your canvas. This is why I chose the camera only a while ago, so that it will be uploaded in the videos tab. Now, if you don't want your video to show much, you can resize it and make it smaller. As long as the play button is here, it is fine. And then let's just check the audio. Let's see if it's clear and complete. So just click on play. Exploring novel catalysts for sustainable hydrogen production through electrochemical water splitting, a comprehensive study on catalyst design and performance. This research delved into the development and assessment of innovative catalysts for efficient and sustainable hydrogen production via electrochemical water splitting. This study aims to uncover new insights into catalyst design, performance optimization, and potential applications in advancing green energy technologies. And as you can hear, it is clear from finish or from the start rather until the end. Exploring novel catalysts for sustainable hydrogen production through electrochemical water splitting, a comprehensive study on catalyst design and performance. So, this research delves into the development and assessment of innovative catalysts for efficient and sustainable hydrogen production via electrical water splitting. And this study aims to uncover new insights into catalyst design, performance optimization, and potential application in advancing green energy technology. Now, if you already have a pre recorded file or a voiceover, let's say you already recorded from OBS or third party apps, you can just click on the audio and then upload your own file. And just like what we did a while ago, simply click on it and it will then be attached to the Canva. Now to save this, just click on this button. Click on download. Just make sure that it is MP4 and then simply download it. So that is how to add a voiceover to video in Canva. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.